Hey folks, it's Andrew Kilpatrick from Kilpatrick Audio, and I'm here to show you Phenol. I'm at NAMM 2015, and here is the final version of Phenol. It's a fully patchable analog synthesizer designed as a gigging system for experienced modular folks, or as a new system if you're just trying to get into patchable synthesis and you aren't sure what to choose in the Eurorack world. This has got everything that you need, including 2 oscillators, 2 VCAs, 2 filters, a high and low pass. It's got 2 LFO envelope combos plus another LFO. It's got a MIDI to CV converter, a mixer with a digital delay, and a whole bunch of other useful stuff. So basically, you can take it home, plug it in. It comes with a small set of cables, and you can get going right away. Has a headphone jack as well as a line left and right out. There's external audio in, so you can process audio from other devices. And there's a little built-in MIDI sequencer even as well, so you can take something from a keyboard, play in a sequence, loop it, and then tweak away at it and transpose the sequence from your keyboard and stuff like that.
And that's like a SH-101 style sequencer, yeah?
Exactly, yeah, that's the idea. So basically, if you're not sure how to get started into patchable synthesis, or if you have a big wall of modular at home and you want to have something small to take to gigs or to take to your friend's house, then Phenol's the best solution.
So let's hear it then.
Okay, so I just have some random thing going on here. This is one oscillator with the low pass filter. You can add a bit of delay.
Is that like a digital delay, like digital style delay, or
the delay is digital
style?
Yeah. It has mix and feedback on the same control, so if you turn it up, you get full mix at about 12 o'clock, and then as you increase it, you start to get feedback almost all the way up to full. So you can build, sound on top of other sound. Each oscillator has triangle, ramp, and pulse out. There's a PWM input. There's also a hard sync input, and there's a log FM or Expo FM input, as well as the 1 volt per octave. So it uses bananas, but all the voltages should be pretty much compatible with any other system that you might want to interface it with. So we're going to offer some adapter cables to go to 3.5mm mini jacks.
I heard there was a arpeggiator.
Oh yes,
as well.
Okay, so I can show you that. Let me just get this going here. So this is in LFO mode now. If I can change the level, we call it oscillator mode. This is just doing a quantized triangle wave, but you can turn this on. This does actual arpeggios as the LFO goes up and down. You can adjust. There's 16 different arpeggio combinations that are things like major and minor triads and sevenths and fifths and things like that. So you can use that just as a source of notes or just as a special effect that you can trigger just by holding the gate button down or gating it.
So was going through the Kickstarter camp, that process, did that help you to develop the synth? Were there things that you changed after the Kickstarter?
There were a few things that we changed, yeah. So most people were like pretty much 100% happy with what we were doing. There were a few comments that we got. We did a stretch goal, that's where the MIDI sequencer came from. We also had a few comments for things that could be improved or changed, and we took people's comments to heart, and in this version, we released all the changes in this version. We couldn't do everything, obviously, but we tried as much to accommodate everyone's wishes. So it's really a collaborative effort, and people felt like they were a part of the whole process, which is great.
So when will it be available, and how much are we saying?
Excuse me. We're going into production in February. The Kickstarter first backers will get them in June, We're hoping to get things done sooner, but June is the official launch date at this point. Thank you very much.